Kamusta, Pinoy Heroclixers and Mixers? We are unboxing today this X-Men House of X Heroclix Fast Forces. And as you can see, it includes 6 pre-painted miniatures with character cards. So we have here Wolverine, Beast, Marble Girl, Domino, Forge, and Sage. Okay, so let's take a look. At the side, we have the triumvirate of Domino, Forge, and Sage. And then the other side, we have the other triad of Wolverine, Beast, and Marble Girl. And at the back, we have another illustration of the 6 included in the Fast Forces. So you might be asking, what are Marvel Heroclix Fast Forces? Well, here's your answer. They are the quickest way for you to get in the game. Crack open this Fast Forces pack, create your team, and you are ready to play. So let's open it. So there's really no surprise in this particular unboxing. What we see is what we get. So I've been collecting the House of X figures, trying to complete them, and I just realized I don't have Fast Forces yet. So that's why I ordered this, and it arrived only today, February 2022. So you can see here the rest of the packaging. Okay, let's keep it on the side. And then here is the logo for X-Men House of X. And then underneath we should see the cards. So these are the character cards that contain the powers and abilities of the 6 figures we have. Again, we have Wolverine, Beast, apologies for the sound, Marble Girl, we have Domino, okay, we have Forge, and Sage. There we go. So I played with these figures online, okay, meaning I know to some extent what they do. But let's see. Let's open them up. Let's see who we can use, and let's build a 300 point team to play test them with. Okay, so we can see here we have here Sage. Let's start with the number 1, which is Wolverine. Okay, so Wolverine. So this is the symbol for Fast Forces. X-Force, X-Men Animal Keyword, James Howlett, Mutant CIA. I think all of them has the Mutant CIA trait, which gives them stealth and improve movement hindering and targeting hindering. So X-Force is a go. Charge. Free. If Wolverine occupies hindering terrain, place him in a square of hindering terrain within 3 squares and line of fire. And then he has a special defense power, stop impervious, so that's really good. Any stop click is always good. And then he has that special movement on first 2 clicks and last 2 clicks. So it's good to put him on a foresty hindering map so he can move around freely. So he has 75 and 50 points. And then we have Beast. Also Illuminati, X-Force, X-Men Animal Scientist Keywords, Mutant CIA, and another trait, 5 steps ahead. When an opposing character takes a free action, give Beast a planning token. Remove 2 of those planning tokens to remove an action token from a friendly character with the X-Men keyword. Oh, that can be really powerful because Like Sidestep is a free action. And then I think Perplex, Outwit is a free action. I'm not so sure. Okay. So, but that seems to be really powerful. So he's good as a support piece for 50 points. And then we can see here we have some team up cards for Beast. So team up cards is a new mechanic. And this introduces or this incentivizes building a team around the team up characters. So you can see here, like for 002.01, if you build a team with Angel, Archangel, Cyclops, Iceman, Jean Grey, and Marvel Girl, so this is the bonus. If 2 or more listed friendly characters are on the map, Beast and the listed friendly characters can use the X-Men team ability as free. If 4 of them are on the map, when they use it, heal 2 clicks instead. So that's alright. And then the 002.02 X-Men team. So if you play Beast on an X-Men team, and if there are 3 or more characters with the X-Men keyword, Beast and adjacent friendly characters have protected poison. So you can swap this at the beginning of the game. Okay, after revealing forces. Okay, so depending on your opponent, this can offer flexibility for your character. So the dial is the same except for that additional trait. So that's Beast. So we have, so you can see Beast here is unique with that silver ring around the figure. So meaning you can only play a single Beast. Okay, so he's a handsome Beast. Is he from Beauty and the Beast? So let's take a look at Wolverine. We haven't taken a look at him. So, and the action pose of Wolverine. Okay, but he seems to have like puppy ears. Anyway, moving forward, we have here Marvel Girl. Okay, so she also has the trait Mutant CIA. She's Phoenix Force, Quiet Council, X-Force, and X-Men. And she has the Krakowan Revival trait and a special movement power, which is Psychic Interrogation, Mind Control, Sidestep. So another support piece with enhancement 75 or 50. And the Krakowan Revival would allow her to revive a friendly character with lower points, a standard friendly character with lower points, instead of being KO'd. But of course, the opponent scores it, and then the opponent will choose to generate any of the bystanders here. So it's a double-edged sword, but situational, it can be good. So this is Marvel Girl. Okay. Okay, what's this? 2020. This was released 2020, so 2 years ago. And we have Domino 004, Nina Thurman, and she has a special attack power. Choose one power or ability to use this turn: Blaze Claws or Fang, Precision Strike, or Giant Reach. And she also has another special damage, which is probability control, but only to reroll 1 die of an attack roll. Okay, you might be wondering only 1 die and not 2 dice because of the flavor text. It's like my luck is lesser somehow, like a rabbit foot with the fur worn off. So she has that on both the 50 and 25 starting point. So she might be good for 25 points. This can be deceptively good. Okay, I played against her before, and it was bothersome that you can only reroll 1 die. 005 is Forge, Mutant CIA. Special movement is Flight, Plasticity, Sidestep, and special damage, which is if you're looking for toys and stuff, animals, you came to the wrong place. Unique modifier, other friendly characters, that are adjacent or have the X-Men keyword modify damage +1. So that's really strong, okay, because it's automatic +1 for all X-Men character. So he has that on both the 75 and 50 point line. So it's probably playable at 50 points. Then finally, let us look at Forge and Domino. Okay, Forge is a very small gun, so you know what that means. And then Domino has the arm of a Krakoa-like arm. Okay, so half of her body is Krakoa. Okay, Krakoan technology. So here, Domino. Okay, the luckiest mutant. Then finally, we have here Sage. Exiles, Hellfire Club, X-Force, X-Men Scientist. And she has a trait, monitoring worldwide for anti-mutant activities. During each opponent's turn, their force can't use the following powers more than once each: Outwit, Perplex, and Prob. Okay, so that is available. That is a trait. Okay, and she comes in at 50 points. Another great support piece, and you will be surprised how annoying this trait can be. Okay, so let's see what teams we can make for this. So we definitely want to include Forge at 50 points. And then we want to include Domino at 25 points for now. So that's 75. Let's try to play all of them. Sage at 50. That's 125. And then let's put Wolverine at 75. He will be our main attacker. Okay, so that's 200 points. Then I guess we have to play Marvel Girl and Beast at 50 points each. Okay, and that would give us an X-Men team. And we can probably use this one. No, we only have one of this. So we'll probably use the X-Men team so that we are protected against poison. So very situational against poisony teams. So let's see how it will perform in an actual playtest. So for now, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you later, mutants.